Attaching a humidifier to your CPAP machine. Your CPAP machine has a built-in hot plate located at this side of the device. There is a cover that normally covers this. Remove the cover by squeezing the top button in and pulling gently at the bottom. You can see the hot plate inside the device here. The humidifier comprises of a water chamber that slots into the side of the CPAP machine. This again can be removed by squeezing and pulling gently. The water chamber can be opened by lifting this clip on the side. You will see at the front of the water chamber there is a fill line. We use cooled, boiled water in the humidifier. This allows the water to be heated before use, but also kills any bacteria that are in the water. It should be no more than hand warm when it's put into the water chamber. The water chamber is closed by clicking the lid shut. Once you have placed the water chamber onto your CPAP machine, you can adjust the temperature of the hot plate to adjust how much moisture you get. If you press the home button at the front of the machine here, you will get the choice of two menus: My Options in blue and Sleep Report in grey. You can enter My Options by pressing the dial here. You can rotate the dial to move down the menu list, and you will see there is a menu item called Humidity Level. If you then press the dial, once you've highlighted this, you can see you get a figure. This figure goes between 0 and 8. 0 means no heat, and 8 is the maximum. The default setting on this device is a setting of 4, which is neither too hot nor too cold. If you use it on this setting and find that you are not getting enough moisture, then you need to increase it. This is done by turning the dial to get the number that you require. Once you've set the number you require, you press the dial and this locks it into the device's memory, so that every time you use the device it will be on the same setting. If you find you're getting too much water in your tubing, then you need to turn this down. And again, this is done by selecting humidity level, turning the dial to a lower number, then pressing the dial to lock it in the memory. In the morning, when you turn your CPAP machine off, it will continue to blow a small amount of air to dry out the tubing and the mask. If you can, leave your humidifier attached for about an hour after you get up. If you can't leave it an hour, then remove the humidifier chamber and empty the water out. This should always be done an hour later if possible. Remove the chamber from the CPAP machine, open the chamber and empty the water out. You can dry the inside of your water chamber with kitchen roll, and you should leave it open to allow it to breathe. Then use fresh water each evening for your night's sleep. Do not use the same water for more than one night. You can contact the sleep service on our telephone number or our email account. Our contact details are on the top of the CPAP machine, both our telephone number and our email account. Please do not hesitate to contact us if we can be of any help.